Does this look good to you? It does to me. Let me show you how I make them. 3 easy ingredients for the Sloppy Joes barbecue flavor. We're going to take 3 ingredients, about 2 pounds of ground chuck, ground beef. I'm getting ground chuck because there's less fat in there. A pack of 8 hamburger buns, and a bottle of barbecue sauce, which we'll end up using about half of this to make Sloppy Joes that taste like barbecue sauce. Let's call them BBQ Joes. The equipment you'll need is either a large skillet, frying pan, or an electric skillet, and some utensils to use to cook your meat and stir in the barbecue sauce, and of course a range top. I'm going to cook the hamburger meat on medium temperature, about 350, until it's as brown as we want it. You can eat them plain, but I like to put a very thin layer of mayonnaise on mine. You may not have to drain the grease from the hamburger meat if you get really lean meat, but if you want to do that, you can put some paper towels in a bowl or a larger plate and drain the meat in that, return it to the frying pan or the skillet. Cook until you get all the red out of the meat. If you don't have any more fat than this, you can take a paper towel and just kind of run it around and pick up some of that excess grease. If you want to get more of the grease out, then very carefully spoon it, or place it on your paper towel that's in a bowl to catch the excess grease. Swap out your skillet or frying pan. Turn the meat to the skillet or the frying pan, put it on low heat. Pour about half the bottle of barbecue sauce on it. All you're really having to do at this point is heat up the barbecue sauce. You let it simmer on very low heat so it doesn't burn sugars in the barbecue sauce. Now we're ready to scoop it on our buns. The whole fun about a Sloppy Joe is it's sloppy, right? Gonna add my tater tots, my pickle spear, and there we go. Doesn't that look good? It does to me.